Hello, welcome back guys. I am Piyush once again with the new Python programming, that is text to speech. In our previous program we have converted speech to text. So in this we are going to convert text to speech. Okay. For this we need few things. We need to install GTTS, Piglet and PyAudio, and one another thing is fbin. To install the GTTS, Piglet, PyAudio, you can go to command prompt and use the command pip install GTTS. Similarly, for pip install Piglet and pip install PyAudio. And to install fbin.exe, you have to install it externally from the net. I'll tell you later why this is required. Okay. So let's start the programming. Before starting, after importing all these things, start making a module. From you need to import GTTS, import GTTS, GTTS, then import Piglet, import time and OS. Okay. After this you have to make a function with name def text underscore to underscore text to speak कर लेते हैं, text to speak actually, and we are passing two parameters, text and lang. After that we will make a variable file, and from the class GTTS we are declaring text as text and language as language. We need a file name, and before doing that you need to make a folder in wherever you want. Actually I have made it in the C drive. You can see here, this is C song. I'm going to use this address C song, and inside that, okay, C /song/temp.mp3. okay. Now we are going to save this file. There is the function file.save, the file name. After this we need to load this media. There is a function called inside the Piglet called media.load, piglet.media.load, and we have to load the file name. Okay, and now we have to play this file. So music.play is another function to play the song, and it must play till it ends. So there is another function time.sleep till music duration. Okay, so our first part is complete. Just save it as control as. We are saving it as in C drive in user. I am saving it here. Just here speak one. Save. Now we are going to make another file. And this file is similar to our last tutorial file, in which we have made a speech to text function program. So we are going to start import speech recognition. In this tutorial we are going to use another function. We are going to open web browser by just giving command through our speech and going to search a query. So for that we are making this as sr, then import. We are importing web browser as wb, import speak one, then import we are going to import the time. So here we are going to declare the path of the Google Chrome. So you can find it here inside the C, inside the program 86, Google Chrome, and this is the address. Okay, copy it and paste it here, and just change the / to \. You can use double / double /. Okay, application, after that it's chrome.exe. this is the address. Now we are going to make, in our previous video we used p equal to recognizer. Okay, again p dot energy threshold. I have already explained in my previous video why I am using this, equal to 2000. After that, width sr dot microphone as source. We are going to display anything, say anything. So here we are going to use another variable, audio, to listen it. Audio, that p dot listen. We are going to listen this from the source. Okay, yes, after listening the source we are going to tell that it's done. Okay, now go to the try statement and that we are going to use the variable text equal to p dot recognize underscore Google. We are going to pass the parameter audio so that it will recognize the audio and convert it into the text. Okay, you can print it even if you want, like print text. Okay, after that we are going to pass the language should be en. Okay, now we are calling the function text to speech from the class, from the file speak1 dot text underscore to underscore speak. Let me check whether it is something else or not. Okay, text dot speak, and we are passing the parameter text and lang. Okay, now in this we are going to pass a query in our browser. So before going to pass a query in browser, I want to show you something. Okay, whenever we search anything, be fast. Whenever we search anything like mp3 or like mp3, you will see a common query till here. So we just have to copy this, Control C, copy, and paste it here, and concatenate our search. It's done. And now the last thing is to call the browser. Supply the path and open the window by just find underscore text. Okay, and wait time dot sleep till it's 10 microseconds. Well, it's done. Just go for exception if any happens. Accept underscore pass and write. Okay, like odd, unexpected indent. Okay, here. Okay, unexpected indent. Okay. No module, sorry, times in the speak one. Okay. There is a times, sorry, there is a mistake. Control S. Okay, now everything is fine, and let's run it. Python. Oh, something happened. Oh, there is an error in the speak tab. We have to just change this thing. Okay, it's done. Now we can check it whether it's working or not. F5, run it. Open Python.
Open Python.
Well, you can see it's working, and okay, you can see here and the browser is also open. Okay, the program is completed, but I have told you earlier about fbin.exe. After installing this is an important thing, just installed it, fbin.exe. After installing the fbin.exe, it will install inside the inside Windows system 32. Okay, it will install inside fbin.dll here. Just copy this and paste it here. Okay, here, and your program will run without any problem. Okay, thank you guys. If you have any query, please comment, and you can mail me. I have already written my mail in my first video. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, share. Okay, please, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get notified. Okay, thank you.